Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer Ethereum from Coinbase to Revolut in 2025. If you're looking to move your crypto seamlessly between these platforms, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but as always with crypto, stay cautious to avoid any hiccups. Let's dive right in. First off, make sure you have active accounts on both Coinbase and Revolut, with some Ethereum sitting in your Coinbase wallet. Also, double-check that Revolut supports Ethereum transfers. It's a key feature in 2025. Step 1. Open your Coinbase app or website and log in. Head to your dashboard and select your Ethereum wallet from the list of assets. Step 2. Tap on the Send or Withdraw button. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Don't worry, we'll get that next. Step 3. Switch over to your Revolut app. Go to the crypto section, find your Ethereum wallet, and copy the wallet address provided. This is crucial. Always verify it's correct to prevent any lost funds. Step 4. Back in Coinbase, paste the Revolut address into the recipient field. Then, enter the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer. Keep an eye on the transaction fees, as they can vary based on network congestion. Step 5. Review everything carefully. One last check for the address and amount, then hit Confirm. The transfer should process quickly, but it might take a few minutes depending on the Ethereum network. Once it's complete, hop back to Revolut and refresh your crypto balance to confirm the Ethereum has arrived. Pro tip: if you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. And there you have it, your Ethereum is now in Revolut. Remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so always prioritize security. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.